Now with those 4 chords, the C, the E minor, the F, and the G7, I can improvise something like this. What I'm going to give myself is 4 beats per bar. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just watch out the fingers. Don't use different fingers every time you play it, okay? Because if you use different fingers, your brain won't be able to learn the pattern. With my C chord, it's 1, 3, and 5. With my F chord, it's also 1, 3, and 5. With my E minor chord, it's also 1, 3, and 5. And with my G7, it's going to be 1, 4, and 5. So the main thing is to maintain a 5-finger position all the time, no matter what you're doing. And if you've got to go out of the 5-finger position, like for example the F, so you're going to move your 3rd finger up and your pinky up to play the F. Okay, so if I go from C to F. Now if I go from C to E minor, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to now just move the thumb down. Okay? If I want to play the C to the G7, I move the thumb one down. Okay? And I squash these 2 fingers together. We've got the basic chords. That is our framework. So it's a C, an E minor, an F chord, and a G7. What can I do to make it interesting? So instead of just playing it like this, I can put other notes in between. For example, you see what I did there? So it's C, 2, 3, 2, 3. What I'm doing is I'm using my other fingers to play notes in between. Now those notes we basically call passing notes because they're passing from one chord to the other. Okay, so, and it gives a little bit of a melody to it into the E minor chord. Okay, or I can go. If you do something like that, care is got to be taken what finger you're going to use, because you can't go like this. It's not going to sound good and it's going to feel awkward. So rather go, use the 2nd finger, and then it flows so much better into the F chord.